All right, in video one, or for 4.8 for video one, I did two problems that uh, dealt with the L'Hopital situation where we have infinity over infinity. Here, I'm going to do two that go from zero, the limit goes to 0 over 0. So we're going to do that first case. All right, so we're going to use L'Hopital to evaluate the limits. These are two from the book, the homework questions, and these are 369. We'll do the first. Okay, so if we plug in 0 here, we get 1 minus x negative 2 is really 1 over 1 plus 0 squared minus 1. And if we put in 0 for x, we get 0. And this is really 1, so we get 0 over 0. So I'm going to apply L'Hopital's rule to this. So I'm going to put the equal to sign here, showing you that I'm bringing this down. All right, so this is equal to the limit as x approaches 0. We're going to take the derivative of the numerator and the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of the numerator is negative 2 times 1 plus x to the negative 3. Using the chain rule, derivative of 1 plus x is just 1. I'll put it in there, but it's just 1. And so this is plus 0. Derivative of negative 1 is 0. And then the derivative of the denominator, again, you're not using the quotient rule. Derivative of the denominator is just 1. Now, I'm going to rewrite this. So this first one's L'Hopital. I don't know why I have a comma there. So this step is L'Hopital's step, and this is an algebra step. All right, so the 1 is your new denominator. 0 over 1 is 0. This mess over 1 is just negative 2 over 1 plus x quantity cubed. Now I can evaluate this at 0. And that's I'm gonna lose the limit symbol because I'm taking the limit now in the similar fashion I did it up top. It's gonna be negative 2 over 1 plus 0 quantity cubed, which is just 1 on the denominator, so it's just negative 2. And so the limit of number 369 is negative 2. Okay, so let's do 371. Here, if I evaluate this at pi, I get pi minus pi over sine of pi. And that's 0 over 0. Recall sine is 0 at 0, pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and so forth, k pi. So now we can use L'Hopital's rule. So this limit equals a limit as x approaches pi. The derivative of the numerator is 1. The derivative of the denominator, derivative of sine is cosine, so cosine of x. Now I can evaluate this. So this is 1 over cosine of pi. And cosine at pi is going to equal negative 1. So negative 1 is my answer. And that's another couple examples using L'Hopital's rule.